The Prophet ﷺ made one exception. He said, except for one person who went out and gave his life and his wealth for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and didn't come back with any. Meaning that is the person that you are competing with or in competition with when you are just doing ibadah in these 10 days. This is why, ikhwani fillah, I urge you to read more Quran, to give more sadaqah, to do any ibadah that comes to you. This is what you're meant to be doing in Dhul Hijjah, especially the days leading up to Yawm-ul-Eid. There is a beautiful statement that was said by a scholar, Ibn Rajab, rahmatullahi alayhi. Ibn Rajab, he said, he was talking about why Allah gave us these 10 days. And then he said that the believers have a yearning, ila baytihi al-haram, to visit his sacred house. All of us here, we want to go to the Kaaba. We want to make Hajj. We want to be doing tawaf. We see it on TV. We have this urge. I wish I could go. At least that's how it should be. But then the qadr of Allah, we know not everyone will be able to go. Not everyone will be able to go. And as a replacement, as another way to get the favor of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah gifted us these 10 days. Allahu Akbar. So, you can't go to Hajj, that's fine. You can still benefit from the 10 days of Dhul Hijjah.